Okay, that's in channel 3, and it's just the red and black cable there. Okay, go ahead and power it on. Lights are on at the front, blue lights are on at the back. Okay, so I've got this light switch rigged up. I've got it in channel 3, I think, on the receiver, and that's me transmitter. It's a Spectrum DX3 with the BT2000 Bluetooth in there. If you can see the focus there. So yeah, I'm going to switch this on. I've got some lights set up on it there in the front, and when I switch that on, I'm trying to get it connected to this switch and it's not working. Seen everybody else do it on YouTube, but I can't. So I'll just show you, just to check that it's got some power there. Checking the connection on the end. It's reading, steady fingers on it. It's reading 6.83 volts. So it's not even 7.2 running through it. Is this normal? So you go on to the next one. This is 6.8 again, 6.84. So I just don't know if it's whether this needs to be switched on before it runs at 7.2 volts, or whether the lights, the LEDs themselves will run at 6.8. I'm not entirely sure, but nope, they're definitely not coming on. So there's the bottom one's positive, top one's negative. What I'll do is I'll just take it off that. If I can show you. Trying to balance this phone at the same time. There's a second. Right, I'll show you here. Plug in. It's positive in the middle. So that was the bottom, and the negative was on the top. Plug it in like that, and no lights. And if I switch it on, hold it down, push it up, hold it down, press it up, anything, nothing at all. So, anyone help me on this, please? Thank you.